Day 56. Rupert, Idaho to Twin Falls, Idaho. Today was a super quick 43-mile day. We had breakfast provided for us. It was pretty darn good. And then I messed around in the gym for a little bit. My team rolled out about 7:30, and we made it to the stayover at 10:17. We then went to Jimmy John's. I had 2 Jimmy John sandwiches in a span of 30 minutes. And then we went to a waterfall. The waterfall was gorgeous. And then after we hung out at the waterfall for a little bit, Matt made us all dinner. It was fantastic. You'll see it at the end of the video. So now I'm just going to let the rest of the video play out. And that's it.
Idaho challenge where you're eating an entire